Hi everyone, today I'm sharing with you my favorite recipe called Maruna Bhajia. So let's get started. To make Maruna Bhajia, we need 3 potatoes, green chili, cornstarch, coriander leaves, and chickpea flour. So first of all, let's peel and chop our potatoes, 1 green chili and ginger paste. So make it into fine paste. Okay. Now we are going to add corn flour, chickpea flour, coriander leaves, salt, turmeric powder, red chili powder. Combine everything. Now it's not combining really well because we need to make thick paste. So that's why we are adding some water so that our paste is sticking on our potatoes. Now our potatoes are ready. Now on the side we'll make chutney for our potato. For that we need cucumber, carrot and tomato. Combine everything. Now we will add some lemon, salt, coriander leaves. Now our chutney is ready. Now we will make our tamarind chutney. So for that we need sweet chutney, tamarind water, salt, chili powder and some coriander powder, and our tamarind water is ready. Now let's start frying our bhajia. So for that we are going to heat up our oil and fry our bhajia until they are crispy. And when they turn brown and crispy, our bhajias are ready. Now to eat our bhajia, we don't eat it like that. We serve it with our chutney, which is our carrot and cucumber chutney. On the top we will add our tangy water. It's called tamarind water. We'll add on the top of that, and that's when our Kenya's bhajias are ready to eat. I hope you like my recipe. Do not forget to give me a like button if you like my recipe, and if you try it, let me know in the comment section how you like my recipe. Thank you so much. Bye.